Hello guys, so let's see unboxing non PS5 unofficial product. This is non PS5 product unofficial. Okay, you can see this. Okay, let's see the product feature 4K HDR, PS5 Pro or PS5 half PS5. Okay, this is the half PS5. Okay, 1 TB. You can see this. Okay. Let's open the product. Okay, open this. Let's see the product of the product. Oh, wow, with a gray paper packing. Okay, so from this, ooh, with gold symbol, half PS5. Okay, and the controller, of course, half dual Zen 5 controller. Very good. Okay guys, just like that. Thanks for watching unboxing second hand review half PS5 or unofficial for non PS5. Is likely the PS4 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe. And look at the box. Ooh, look at the box, guys. You can play PlayStation VR, PlayStation Plus, PlayStation Store, Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, SharePlay, Facebook, YouTube. Okay. PS4 Pro. That's very nice, of course. And the half PS5. Okay, the half DS5 button. Look at this button, very cool, right? Ooh, it's very cool.